Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your RAM 1500 key fob. First, make sure you have all your key fobs, both old and new, ready to go. A fully charged vehicle battery is also crucial for a smooth process. This guide is designed to be helpful for a wide range of RAM 1500 trucks, ensuring you can get your new fob working quickly and easily. Let's dive into the first step. To begin, get into the driver's seat with all your key fobs and ensure all doors are securely closed. Next, insert a currently working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, quickly turn the key from on to OFF 4 times within a 6-second window. This rapid sequence helps the vehicle enter programming mode, preparing it to recognize new key fobs. Once you've completed the key turning sequence, you'll notice the door lock cycle automatically. This is your signal that the vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. Now, take your new key fob and press any button on it. You must do this within 10 seconds of the door lock cycling. The door locks will cycle one more time, confirming that your new key fob has been successfully programmed and is ready for use. To exit the programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Once the key is removed, take a moment to test all your key fobs, both the old ones and any new ones you've just programmed. Make sure each button, like lock, unlock, and panic, works as expected. If any key fob isn't functioning correctly, don't worry. You can simply repeat the entire programming process to ensure everything is set up perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.